Hello children, my grade ones. It's time for your active learning at home lesson. Today is a literacy lesson and we are going to revise the sound. Today we are going to revise the sound. We are going to listen to a story and we're going to answer a few questions. Are you ready? Let's read the story together. Henry could not find his hat. He looked all over his house. He looked inside his hut. He looked in both his hands. He even looked on his horse. Where was his hat? Finally, Henry looked in the mirror. His hat was on his head. Shall we read that together again? But this time I'm going to read and then you read with me. Henry could not find his hat. You read it with me. Henry could not find his hat. He looked all over his house. He looked all over his house. He looked inside his hut. He looked inside his hut. He looked in both his hands. He looked in both his hands. He even looked on his horse. He even looked on his horse. Where was his hat? Where was his hat? Finally, Henry looked in the mirror. His hat was on his head. Well done, boys and girls. Please try and read that again when you have some free time. Let's go to the next activity. Can you find all the h's in the picture? There are many different sounds, but can you find the h? Yes, there are only 5. Here's one. Can you find the other 4? Here's one. Can you find the other 3? Here's one. Can you find the other 2? Here's one. Can you find the last one? There are only 5. H. Say H for me. H. Let's go to the next activity. Can you tell which words match? Here are 6 words. Hat, hot, hat, has, his, hug. Can we say that again? Hat, hot, hat, has, his, hug. Here's a little sentence. He has his hat on. Can you find the matching words? Is there a he in the top set? Has his hat on? I will match the first one for you. Has and has. Is there another word that matches? His and his. There's one last word. It's far away. It's hat and hat. There are other words which stand on their own. Can you see them and read them? He, on, hug, hut, hot. Well done. Let's see what we're doing next. Write the words and draw a picture. The words are hop, hen, hat, hut, hug. I have 2 pictures for you. You need to draw a few more. To find out more about the h sound, please go to the following website. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today, children. Till next time, bye-bye.